can see in your unboxing, this should be our carousel box. Let's get to it. I'm not going to turn this right over because it didn't come in a FedEx bag. And my address is on the other side. So, I really love this shiny packaging. Ta-da! I'm just going to put that over there a bit. We have, will it happen? Will I tear it? Let's take our chances. Yep, there we go. Doing so well. But no. It all. Excuse the noise, that is just the metro going past. And we have our carousel box. This looks so pretty. So we have 4 molds. We have the carousel roof, carousel base, our carousel horse, and the carousel pillar. We have open bezels, a gold metallic marker, light pink cotton candy glitters, a syringe, 3:1 epoxy resin, 120 grams, and 25 grams of UV resin. Our instructions. Just having a quick look to see if it says how much. Okay, so there's enough epoxy resin to make the roof, the base, and the pillar in the center. So I'm presuming use the UV, yep, use the UV resin to make the horses. So that 120 grams will make these 2 molds and this mold. That's good to know. Oh, those are so pretty. I like those colors. I love anything pastel. So yeah, that's our little booklet. Excuse the mat roll once again. I'll be going in the opposite direction. Thank you, Mara. So we have, what do we have here? Ooh, 2 bottles of UV resin. Did it say 2 bottles? Oh, strange. Lucky me. 2 bottles of UV resin, 25 grams in each. Send that there. Another syringe. I don't get on with these. Does anyone actually get on with these? Let me know down below. Tips, tricks, be very welcome. 1 gold metallic marker. Shake, bend, press, paint, recap. Water-based opaque ink. Non-toxic, quick dry, marks on most surfaces. Have to give that a go. Ooh. Pink and glitter. 2 of my favorite things. Pink and glitter. Ooh. Give it the magic tap to make sure it doesn't go everywhere when I do this because let's have a look. Ooh, how pretty. Ooh. I have ideas for that. And every time the lid just does not want to go back on. Got it. There we go. That's that. Bezels. So let's take a look. Oh, always one packet doesn't want to open. Excuse me a second. Seems to have fused shut. Ah, I got it. So we have, let's see, I'm down here. So, oh, they've got a little charm on that says Sophie and Toffee. So we have a carousel horse. We have the roof of a carousel. Oh, so the all. Ooh, that'd be nice on there. So we have a carousel horse. We have a filigree frame. Pointy then. That's nice. And a little mini carousel. How cute is that? That. Oh, I know I can put on there. Stitch markers for when I crochet. I might have to get more of these. Ooh, ideas. So there, we have those two. Put that over there with the one. Of course, our epoxy resin. Pillar post. This looks like the giant marshmallow that came in, I'm not sure which box it was, but it made tiny little marshmallows. And they're sweets. It looks like that. Find the edge. There it is. Yep. Okay. So yep. That's gonna make some nice. Actually, you could use that as a giant marshmallow mold. So that is a 2-part mold. Goes together quite nicely with an opening in the top. I have to find me lacquer bands because I'm not sure where they've gone. So that one. This one is dragon open. Our carousel horse. Again, a lovely 2-part mold. Put that together. That's quite a chunky sandwich of a mold. So seal around the edges. Fill from the base. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 openings to fill with the resin. So we have that one as well. This is chunky. This is very heavy and it is vacuum sealed. What I want. So this must be, this is our base. Yep, that's our base. I'm not going to be able to see it probably, but it is highly decorated on the inside. And we also have in here will be, ooh, move that to one side. Again, vacuum packed. And in here we have our roof. Another chunky one. I wonder if that would make a trinket box. What do you think? I might have to have a try before putting it together, because this one is definitely going to get made. So we have lots of goodies, lots of chunky goodies. What do you think? What colour should I do first? Definitely something with pink. Let me know down below what you think I should do. What colours should I make? Should I go full on cotton candy with pastels? Do I go goth with pastels or brights, or just full on goth with dark purples, dark greens, oranges? Ooh, Halloween. Halloween is coming. Start now. We might get ready. We might be done in time. After all, I have 4 kids. The summer holidays are coming. Who knows when I'll get to craft? So yes, there is our box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll post some photos at the end of each individual item and the full collection, the full box. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It helps. Hit the subscribe button also. That would really help. So if you did enjoy and would like to see more, hit the bell icon to be notified of my next video, which will, I swear, and I know I keep saying this, will be an actual project. I'm making a plan this week of what projects, resin, clay, sewing, what have you, I can possibly get done between now, that half term is over here in the UK, and when the kids break up in about 2 months for the summer. So yeah, I swear there will be a project So yes, there is all of our lovely goodies. Thank you once again from Sophie and Toffee for putting together another amazing box of goodies for us to all enjoy. And I will see you all again soon.